Okay, y'all, welcome back to China's World. Today I'm going to be doing some fried shrimp and french fries. So I'm going to go ahead and start by seasoning my shrimp with some of this, the perfect seasoning. So we're going to use some GOYA's, the perfect seasoning. Sorry if my finger's in the way, y'all. Can y'all see that? Okay, so we're going to use some of that. We're going to use some pepper. And y'all just season it to y'all liking. We're going to use just a few little ingredients. And we're going to use some Creo seasoning. Y'all know I love my Creo. And I'm going to add some Old Bay. Okay, so we're going to see. Oh, y'all, and we can't forget our little salt. So we're going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm about to go ahead and get this mixed up like so. So give me a few minutes, y'all, so y'all can see what I'm doing right here. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up like, hold on y'all, hold on. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to season, to mix in the seasoning for my shrimp. Okay, I want to add a little bit more of this Old Bay, just a little bit. We have a hint of our the perfect seasoning. Just want to make sure them flavors are gonna pop. Okay, I told y'all ain't no blandness over here. I don't care what I cook. It has some flavor. Okay. Alright, y'all. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna add a little salt and a little pepper to my eggs. I'm gonna add some milk. About that much milk. We're gonna mix it. This is gonna be our egg milk mixture. So just make sure you mix it real good. Okay, like so. Okay, about that much, y'all, right there. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my shrimp battered. Okay, y'all, I'm going to get the shrimp battered. We're going to start with the flour first, like so. So I'm going to go ahead and batter them right on up. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip them in my egg mixture. Okay, we're going to dip them, we're going to just put them in there so I can flip them over. And while they're sitting for a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and put some more in here like so. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and get them dipped in our breadcrumbs. Hold on, y'all, let me get some more battered up, batter up. Y'all, I've been on this seafood kick. That's why I've been bringing y'all this seafood videos, y'all. I love me some shrimp, okay? And I'm gonna keep on bringing, okay? So y'all go ahead and leave me some comments down below on what y'all want me to cook, and I'll do that for y'all. All right. Also, don't forget to subscribe Okay, to your girl channel, okay? China's World. Cooking with China. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get these shrimps coated with this egg mixture like so. Okay, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and add a few more in here so I can get them over to the breadcrumbs, y'all. Okay. Alright, so hold on, y'all. Let me get the breadcrumbs in the mix here. Let me move this flour out the way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to use this hand, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get the breadcrumbs going here. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip it into my Louisiana seasoning, okay? It's the Louisiana, you know how you have the fish fry, Louisiana fish fry? We're going to do it with our shrimp. So let me go ahead and coat these shrimp real quick. Let me just, sorry y'all, I'm making a mess over here, but it do get a little messy in the kitchen, y'all. That's what happens, okay? I'll clean it up when I get finished, y'all. Don't mind that. So let me go ahead and continue to batter this. And then, y'all, I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes before I actually put it inside the grease. So I'll be back with y'all when I get finished coating my shrimp. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and put in my shrimp. Watch this sizzle, y'all. Okay, here's the first one. Let's see how this sizzle. Oh, y'all, we gotta let it get a little bit more hot. Hold on, y'all. But it's not that bad. It's okay. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So, yeah, y'all see how fast that grease got hot? It didn't take long at all. We're going to drop these on up in there like so. We're going to let them do their thing. Okay? Alright. Just like that. So let them go ahead and fry. And I'll move them around just a little bit so I can get a little more up in there. Oh yeah, look at, oh y'all, look at that. I got a sneak peek. Y'all see that sneak peek? Look at that sneak peek, y'all. Look at, ooh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Ooh, yes, yes, honey. That's what we want. We want it to look like that, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let these get golden brown, y'all, so we can crunch on some shrimp. Okay, all right, y'all, so I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and get that peek one more time, y'all. One more. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that grease. Y'all, come on to mama. Yes, baby. Let me go ahead and turn them over because as y'all can see, shrimp do not take long to cook at all, y'all. Okay? You want to go ahead and just turn them over like so. Alright, y'all. Hold on. So this one's almost done. Look at this one. Yeah, that one's almost done. Look how crispy that is. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that, baby. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go, y'all. There we go. I'm like, what is going on? Yes, baby. So, like I said, yeah, this one's done, y'all. So, I'm going to go ahead and take that one out for it get a little too crispy, okay? And, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and throw in some more so y'all can see how pretty and golden brown they turn out. Okay, so let me let them go ahead and get nice and crispy. Like so, y'all. Okay, so let me just go ahead and do its thing. And let y'all see how pretty they turned out. Look at that, y'all. That's my shrimp right there. Yeah, baby. It's a nice little glance, huh? Okay, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all. So this is the final product of my shrimp. Don't they look so good and tasty? And I did my french fries in the air fryer, y'all. Look how crunchy they look. Okay, so y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.